Concurrent definition, concurrent in a sentence, concurrent pronunciation, concurrent meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of concurrent. 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 Concurrent means existing or happening at the same time. Common usages in academic writing: concurrent systems, concurrent programs, concurrent increase. Example sentence: concurrent adjective. Patients were held for observation after surgery if they had concurrent cardiovascular diseases. The common academic writing variation is concurrently, adverb. Journal articles are often published concurrently with an academic conference. Please write a sentence using concurrent in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use concurrent confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.